Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C17 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Here we have to enter the history, and as you can see this is the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But let's be honest, if in your case this list is really long, then the manual option is not really the most efficient one. So let's simply tap on clear browsing data, because here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. You can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time. It's up to you. Then let's tap on clear data, confirm, and as you can see the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.